drama.
What are we doing here?
We're waiting for our bosses to come back.
And
Feed us.
what are we having for lunch?
I don't know.
Maybe Korean food?
Oh yes, we were supposed to have Korean food.
Yeah.
Right.
See you there.
See you then. Annyeong.
Kimchi fried rice. Yum 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 yum.
Okay, so we are back at the hotel.
Hotel, I just said hotel. We're back at the office and we're gonna set up now for our first shoot.
Oh,
This is where we're gonna shoot today. Woohoo!
so yes.
Guys, look at this tripod. It's freaking huge. It's a legit tripod. Push. Here's the light.
No, not really hard. Yes, yeah. Press this and then lock.
Okay.
And then locks in.
Jimson is teaching Ashley how to do audio.
Oh,
Ashley this is called the sandwich. Go on.
the sandwich. Just call it the
That's the
sandwich.
sandwich for the mic. How long does it have to be? Until you finish the table.
Yeah, until finish it. Actually, you don't need that. But
Okay, so this is going to be a bit tricky because she needs one.
then also one of
Okay.
it is you need to remember like which type goes to which. So there's two talent, no? So now she's having set one.
Yeah, just
Okay.
like that.
And
Because
this time
sometimes
having
it
set
just
two,
ruffles
so
the
yeah,
picture.
just need to keep that.
So after you have the sandwich, the first layer,
Yes.
put it here. This side, right?
It's always facing.
Okay. Now we're gonna do the other.
Does it have to be more to the top? Or is it too...
Yes. Yeah. Not necessarily.
Not necessarily, but it's better.
Yeah, better on top.
So you kind of got a feel for what's going to happen?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so
No, that's it.
good job, Ashley. Audio check.
Three, two, one, action.
Okay, crap. You had the chance and you didn't do it. But that means she knows you saw the button open and you didn't tell her. And hey, you want to be a gentleman, right? You're her good friend, right? You have to tell her.
Honesty.
Hey!
What?
No cheating.
Um.
And I'll get it. Thank you. Thank you. Mwah. Ooh, got kissed by a pretty girl. Let's do the summary for the day. So today, third day, it went pretty well. I had my first shooting, filming with the Core Studio / the Ming Ting, and it was freaking cool. Let me tell you guys. Today's video was really funny. Like, I can't wait for you guys to actually watch the actual video. And I'm not too sure when is it gonna be up, but hopefully soon. Today I managed to learn something new. First things first. You know, okay, usually when I shoot a video or when I like film something, I'll use this thing called shotgun mic. You know, the long thing that you attach to your camera? Yeah, I use that. And I always thought like, oh, people usually use this during like, you know, filming and stuff. But no, I see something new today in my whole entire life for this production industry, and they use this thing called lapel or lavalier. I don't know. I need to Google that up, and because I need to put it in my journal anyway. So yeah, it's basically like a wireless mic that attached to you, like you have to attach it to your body or your shirt, I don't know. And it comes with like a receiver and a sender, and also this freaking huge remote control that is in the size of, you know, when the Electric Man comes and then they give you the electric bill, they have to like print it out from the thing. Yeah, it's the size of that thing, but I guess smaller. But yeah, it was really fun to play with that thing. At the beginning, we had some problems because we keep having like scratching sounds and everything. But throughout the whole entire like shoot, in the middle until the end, it was pretty well. Like I didn't have to do much stuff. All I need to do is just press record, and then just keep an eye with the audios to make sure like it doesn't go over. Also, the girl in the video today was really pretty. Like the first time when me and Tiara saw her, we were like, oh, she's so pretty. Like legit, that was our reaction. And Minghan was like, oh my god, you girls, control yourself. But yeah, she was really pretty. She reminds me of Arden Cho, you know, that girl that actually acts in some of Ryan Higa's video. And yeah, she's really pretty and she's nice. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow and we'll see how it goes.